Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, a tiny seed nestled in the heart of a massive forest. This wasn't any ordinary seed, mind you. It was a seed filled with magic, a seed that held the promise of a great towering tree. As the seasons rolled, the seed soaked in the soft whispers of the wind, the gentle lullaby of the rain, and the warm caress of the sun, waiting patiently for the day it would sprout. Then, one fine spring morning, the magic seed stirred. Breaking free from its shell, a tiny sprout peeked out of the ground, reaching eagerly towards the sky. The forest watched in awe as the sprout grew inch by inch, day by day, into a strong and healthy sapling. Summer arrived and the sapling thrived under the sun's bright rays, its leaves a lush, vibrant green. But the sapling wasn't satisfied. It aspired to be more than just a sapling. It yearned to grow into the biggest, tallest tree in the entire forest. Autumn fell, and the sapling, now a young tree, stood tall amidst the falling leaves. It had grown stronger and taller than ever before, but it still wasn't the tallest tree in the forest. Undeterred, it held on to its dream, determined to grow even taller. Winter arrived, and the young tree braced itself against the harsh cold. It stood firm and resilient, enduring the snow and wind. Even as the other trees around it bent and swayed, it remained steady, its resolve unwavering. Then came spring again, and with it a miracle. The young tree had grown into a towering giant, the tallest tree in the entire forest. The other trees looked up to it in wonder, marveling at its strength and perseverance. The tree had achieved its dream, proving that with patience, determination, and resilience, anyone can reach great heights. In the end, the tree stood as a testament to the power of dreams and the strength of will. It showed that no matter how big or small, every dream is achievable if one has the patience to nurture it, the determination to pursue it, and the resilience to face the challenges that come along the way. The story of the magic seed and the towering tree teaches us a simple yet profound lesson. Dream big, work hard, be patient, and never give up. For in the end, it is these qualities that shape our destiny and help us reach the stars.